Alright guys, today we're going to be doing some new learning in lesson 6. So let's start off with our learning target. Our learning target says I can find 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 more or less than a given number. So today pretty much you're going to be given a number and you're either going to have to add or subtract within that place value. So number 1 says label the place value chart. Use place value disk to find the sum or difference. Remember that sum means to add and difference means to subtract. Write the answer in standard form on the line. So I want to find 10,000 more than 306,262. So before I can even add that 10,000 more, I need to label my place value chart and put this word form into standard form. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Alright, so it says that we have 306,000. So in I have the thousands family, so I know I'm going to be within these three groups, and it's 306. So 306 looks like this. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, and then 1, 2, 3. Then it says 262. So 262. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Alright, now that we have our number written, and here's our comma, we can now, it says 10,000 more. So more tells me that I'm going to add, but it's going to be in my 10,000s group. So here's my 10,000s group, and it says that we're going to add 10,000. So that means that we're adding just one more. So this would be 0 plus 1, which means that now we have 1 10,000. So I'm going to rewrite this number. Our hundreds place didn't change. Our 10,000s place, we now added one more, so that's a 1. Our thousands place didn't change, comma. Hundreds place didn't change. Tens place didn't change, and ones place didn't change. So our new number in standard form is 316,262. And it's as easy as that, guys, especially when it comes to a place value chart. However, sometimes, like in number 2, you won't have the place value chart. So at A, there's two ways that we can do this. We have 10,000 plus 30,060. So there's the standard algorithm way, and then we're just going to look at the place value way. So standard algorithm is we're going to write out, remember our biggest number on top, 30,060 plus, when we add, guys, we have to line up our numbers. So it's 10,000. So 10, comma, 1,000. Your comma should line up. Your ones, tens, hundreds should line up. Your thousands and your 10,000s. So we have 0 plus 0, which is 0. 6 plus 0, which is 0. We have 0 plus 0. Oops, 6 plus 0 is not 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0, comma. 0 plus 0 is 0, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer now is 40,060. Now, you also could have said, okay, well, I'm in my 10,000s place. So let me see where my 10,000s place is here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So this is my 10,000s. And I know that I'm only adding one more. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. And then all the other numbers did not change. So you can get the answer the same way. Alright, let's do B. Now for B, we're going to subtract. So we're going to do standard algorithm first, and then we're going to go back and look at the place values. So 71,325 minus 10,000. Remember to line up your numbers. My ones, my tens, my hundreds are all lined up. My commas are lined up. My thousands and my 10,000s are lined up. So now I can subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. Put your comma. 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So your new number now is 61,325. So that was the standard algorithm. Again, you can do standard or you can do place value. But if you struggle with place value, I want you to do standard. Also, it'd be nice for you to check your work using standard algorithm. All right, so we know that we're subtracting in the 10,000s place. So I need to find the tens, thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So here's my 10,000s place. I'm going to subtract 1 10,000. So that would be 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. So that's now a 6. My 1 never changed, comma. My hundreds didn't change, my tens didn't change, and my ones didn't change. So again, our answer is 61,325. Let's look at C. This one, guys, anytime you're really close to changing into a place value, like 99,000 plus 100 more, you're going to want to write it out in algorithm just to make sure. So 99,000 plus, this is 100, so you need to think, where's this 100 going to go? I know it's not going to go all the way up here because this is the 10,000s. Zeros, tens, hundreds. That means that that 1 is going to start there. 100. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, comma. 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. So our new number now is 99,100. You could have also said that you are changing or you're adding to the 100s place. So I'm going to ask myself, where's the 100s place? Zeros, tens, hundreds. There's my hundreds. I know that I'm adding 100, so plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. All the other spots did not change. So again, you get the same answer of 99,100. All right, let's look at D. 28,651. We're going to write it standard algorithm way first. So 28,651 minus 10,000. Remember to line up your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your comma, your thousands, your 10,000s. 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. Put your comma. 8 minus 0 is 8. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So our new number is 18,651. Again, you could have told yourself, okay, I'm looking at my 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So I know that this place is going to change. And I'm subtracting by 1 10,000s. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. My 8 didn't change. My 6 didn't change. My 5 didn't change. And my 1 didn't change. So we come out with the same answer. Alright, letter E. We have 1400s. So guys, for this one, y'all struggled with this last time. So I want you to think, hundreds has 3 blanks. 1, 2, 3. We have ones, Sorry guys. Ones, tens, hundreds. It says that we have 1400. So in the hundreds place, I'm going to write 14. We had 0 tens, 0 ones. Now I need to think about where my comma is going to go. 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is really 1,400. So I'm going to show that in standard algorithm because we want to add now 1,000. So 1,400 plus 1,000. Remember to line up your commas and your place values. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, comma, 1 plus 1 is 2. So our new number now is 2,400. You could have also said that I want to change my thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that's the 1. And I'm adding 1 to it. So 1 plus 1 is 2. My tens, my hundreds did not change, and then my tens did not change, and my ones did not change. So we got the same answer. Alright, last one, 3,000s plus 1,000. 3,000s, you know that that's written like this. That's easy. Plus 1,000. I know that I want to change my thousands family, but we're going to write in algorithm form first. 0, 0, 0, 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 4,000. We know that the 3 is in the thousands place, so we would say plus 1, and nothing else would change. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and everything else is zeros. Alright. Now we have these boxes, and we have to figure out the pattern. So when we do that, I'm going to start reading the numbers. This says 150,000 blank, 170,000 blank, 190,000 blank. Well, I need to figure out what's changing. I have a 1, a 1, and a 1. Okay. In my 10,000s, I have a 5, a 7, and a 9. So I can already see that my 10,000s place is changing. Well, how is it changing? It's going 5, something, 7, something, 9. So it's skip counting by odd numbers. So that means in here, we're going to have to plug in those even numbers. So if this is 150,321, then I know that this is going to be 100. I'm going to bump up that 10,000s place by 1. So now it'd be 160,321. Then 170,321. Then this one would have to go from 170, we gotta bump it up to 180,321. Oops. To 190,000 to 321. And then we have to bump it up again. So now we're gonna be at 200,321. And to show that in numbers or words or pictures, we can't just fill in the answers here. So the easiest way is going to be numbers. So we know that each time our 10,000s bumped up by 1. So 5 or 150 plus 10,000 would give us 160,321. 160 plus 10,000. 1, 2, 3, comma, 0, 7, 1. 170 plus 10,000. 1, 2, 3, comma, 0, 8, 1. Plus 10,000. 1, 2, 3, comma, 0, 9, 1. Then plus 10,000.